In this video, we will explore the 5 best air fryers in 2026, comparing their features, performance, and value to help you choose the right one for your kitchen. From compact models to large capacity options, we cover it all. All product links and updated pricing details are included in the description below, so let's jump right in. Number 5. Balashov 12-liter. The Balashov 12-liter air fryer brings a practical upgrade to everyday cooking with its generous 12-liter capacity, making it ideal for families or small gatherings. It uses 360-degree circulating hot air to cook food evenly, delivering crispy and golden textures without the need for oil. This allows you to enjoy fried favorites in a healthier way while still maintaining great taste and texture. One of its standout features is the transparent oven-style design. The clear viewing window lets you monitor your food during cooking without opening the door, helping maintain consistent heat and cooking efficiency. This model also works as a multifunctional appliance, combining air frying with baking and roasting capabilities, giving you more flexibility in the kitchen. The intelligent touchscreen interface makes operation simple and precise. You can easily adjust temperature between 80 degrees Celsius and 230 degrees Celsius, along with a timer that ranges from 0 to 60 minutes. Its smart temperature control system ensures even cooking results, while the star diamond-shaped liner enhances heat distribution for better performance. Safety and durability are also well addressed. It includes automatic power outage protection and features a strong stainless steel body. The enamel-coated tray is easy to clean, helping maintain hygiene with minimal effort. Pros: large capacity, versatile cooking, easy control. Cons: may take up more counter space. Number 4. Acekool 5 Quart. The Acekool 5 Quart digital display air fryer toaster oven combo is a compact yet versatile appliance designed to handle multiple cooking tasks with ease. With a 5-quart capacity, it is suitable for small families or everyday meals, while its strong 1500-watt performance ensures efficient and fast cooking results across different food types. This model stands out with its 10 preset cooking modes, including steak, chicken, seafood, shrimp, bacon, frozen foods, French fries, vegetables, root vegetables, bread, and desserts. It supports a wide range of functions such as air frying, baking, grilling, roasting, toasting, dehydrating, and even rotisserie cooking, making it a complete kitchen solution in one device. The digital touchscreen LED panel provides simple and intuitive control, allowing quick selection of cooking modes. For more precise adjustments, the manual knob lets you fine-tune temperature and cooking time according to your needs. The transparent glass window adds convenience by letting you monitor food without interrupting the cooking process. Equipped with 360-degree hot air circulation, it cooks food evenly with little to no oil, offering a healthier alternative to traditional frying. Safety features like overheating protection and automatic shut-off add reliability during use. Built with food-grade 304 stainless steel, it avoids harmful chemicals and ensures durability. Cleaning is simple with dishwasher-safe accessories, making maintenance quick and hassle-free. Pros: versatile functions, easy controls, healthy cooking. Cons: limited capacity for larger families. Number 3. Fabuletta FAF001A. The Fabuletta FAF001A 4.2-quart air fryer oven is built for fast and efficient cooking, making it a strong option for everyday kitchen use. It uses 360-degree rapid air circulation technology, allowing meals to cook up to 30% faster than standard air fryers. With a maximum temperature of 450 degrees Fahrenheit, it delivers quick results, cooking steak in about 6 minutes and bacon in around 8 minutes while using significantly less oil. This air fryer includes 9 customizable cooking programs such as steak, chicken, fries, vegetables, dessert, bacon, seafood, dehydrate, and preheat. These presets simplify cooking, while manual controls allow you to adjust temperature from 150 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and set cooking time between 1 and 60 minutes for more precise results. A built-in shake reminder ensures even cooking by prompting you to turn or shake food during the process. Combined with even crisp and thermo IQ technology, the fryer maintains consistent heat with minimal fluctuation, helping achieve a crispy exterior and tender interior without overcooking. The 4.2 quart basket is suitable for 2 to 4 people and can handle items like French fries, chicken wings, or even a whole chicken. Its non-stick basket is removable, dishwasher safe, and free from harmful chemicals, making cleanup simple. Pros: fast cooking, precise temperature control, compact design. Cons: smaller capacity for larger households. Number 2. Chefman 6 Quart. The Chefman 6 Quart Dual Basket Air Fryer Oven is designed to make family cooking more efficient with its dual basket setup. It features 2 separate 3-quart baskets, allowing you to prepare 2 different dishes at the same time with individual temperature and timing controls. The synchronized finish feature ensures both baskets complete cooking together, which is especially useful when preparing full meals. This air fryer includes 8 built-in cooking functions, giving you the flexibility to air fry, bake, and cook a variety of foods such as chicken, fish, steak, and French fries. With an adjustable temperature range from 200 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, it provides precise control for different cooking styles and recipes. The digital touchscreen interface is user-friendly and responsive, helping you easily select settings and monitor cooking progress. It also includes a LED reminder that alerts you when it is time to shake the food, ensuring even cooking and better texture. The large viewing windows on each basket let you check on your meals without interrupting the cooking cycle. For convenience, the non-stick baskets are removable and dishwasher safe, making cleanup simple and quick. The matte black exterior adds a modern touch while maintaining a compact design that fits comfortably on most kitchen counters. Built with safety features and backed by a 1-year warranty, it offers reliable performance for daily use. Pros: dual cooking, synchronized finish, easy cleaning. Cons: slightly bulky for small kitchens. Number 1. Generic 26 Quart. The generic 26 Quart super large air fryer and convection oven is built for high-capacity cooking, making it ideal for families or small gatherings. With its spacious interior, it can handle large meals, such as a 6-pound chicken or a 12-inch pizza, offering flexibility for everyday cooking as well as special occasions. This appliance features 24 preset cooking options, covering a wide range of dishes, including ribs, chicken, pastries, pizza, and reheating. In addition to presets, it offers multiple cooking functions such as air fry, rotisserie, roast, broil, bake, dehydrate, grill, slow cook, and proof, making it a complete solution for diverse cooking needs. Its advanced air crisp technology uses 360-degree superheated air circulation to deliver crispy textures with significantly fewer calories compared to traditional frying. The dual speed fan helps distribute heat evenly, ensuring consistent cooking results across different types of food. The design stands out with a stainless steel exterior and French-style doors, adding both durability and a premium look to your kitchen. The digital LED display is simple to operate, allowing easy control over cooking settings, while the automatic shutoff feature enhances safety during use. Cleaning is convenient with dishwasher-safe components, saving time after cooking. Its large capacity and multi-function design make it a practical choice for those who want efficiency and versatility in one appliance. Pros: very large capacity, multiple functions, even cooking. Cons: takes up significant counter space. There you have it, the 5 best air fryers in 2026, each offering unique features for different cooking needs. Whether you want versatility, capacity, or convenience, there is an option here for you. Check the description below for the latest prices and product links.